Look up at the night sky on a dark night, and you might see a faint band of light stretching across the heavens. That glowing river of stars is the Milky Way, our home galaxy. But what exactly is it? How did it form? What's hiding at its center? And what mysteries are astronomers still trying to solve? Let's take a journey through the galaxy we call home. The Milky Way is a giant spiral galaxy containing somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars, along with planets, gas, dust, dark matter, and a supermassive black hole. It's about 100,000 light-years across, meaning even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 100,000 years to cross from one side to the other. Our solar system sits about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center, inside a smaller spiral arm called the Orion Arm. And here's something surprising. No human has ever photographed the Milky Way from the outside. Every image you've seen showing our galaxy as a spiral disk is a scientific reconstruction based on observations because we're trapped inside it. The Milky Way began forming more than 13 billion years ago, not long after the Big Bang. Instead of appearing all at once, it grew gradually. Small clouds of gas collapsed under gravity, forming the first stars and star clusters. Over billions of years, the young Milky Way merged with smaller galaxies, absorbing them into its structure. In fact, astronomers have found evidence that our galaxy cannibalized many smaller galaxies throughout its history. Some stars in the Milky Way today may have originally belonged to entirely different galaxies that no longer exist. The Milky Way has several major components. At its center lies a dense region called the galactic bulge, packed with ancient stars. Surrounding it is the galactic disk, where most of the galaxy's stars, gas clouds, and spiral arms are found. Beyond that is the halo, a vast spherical region containing old stars and globular clusters orbiting the galaxy. But visible matter only tells part of the story. Astronomers believe the Milky Way is embedded inside a massive halo of dark matter, an invisible substance that doesn't emit light but exerts gravity. Without dark matter, our galaxy would likely fly apart. At the very center of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. It contains roughly 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Despite its enormous size, Sagittarius A is surprisingly quiet. Unlike the actively feeding black holes found in some galaxies, ours is currently consuming very little material. In 2022, astronomers released the first direct image of Sagittarius A, giving humanity its first glimpse of the monster lurking at our galaxy's core. Even though we live inside it, the Milky Way still holds many mysteries. Scientists are still trying to determine exactly how many spiral arms it has. They don't fully understand the nature of the dark matter surrounding it, and recent observations suggest our galaxy may not be as stable as we once thought. The Milky Way's disk appears warped and rippling, possibly due to past collisions with smaller galaxies. Astronomers have also discovered stars moving so fast that they're escaping the galaxy entirely. Here are a few mind-blowing facts about our home galaxy. The Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy are moving toward each other and will collide in about 4.5 billion years. Our solar system takes around 230 million years to complete one orbit around the galaxy. That means since dinosaurs walked the Earth, the solar system has completed only about one full trip around the Milky Way. And every star you can see with your naked eye belongs to the Milky Way. The Milky Way isn't just a collection of stars. It's an ancient cosmic city built over billions of years through collisions, growth, and gravity. It's home to hundreds of billions of stars, countless planets, a supermassive black hole, and perhaps life beyond Earth. And despite centuries of study, we're only beginning to understand the galaxy we call home. The Milky Way still has many secrets left to reveal.